as Andreas Schleicher's forked tongue. What he conveniently didn't tell you, because everything in PISA, everything in the OECD is correlation. There's no analysis that's causal. All the analysis is correlation. Did he tell you about those countries which you cite, which have larger class sizes, and what the frequency is of kids going to out-of-hours tutoring is? And the fact that it's up there, 50%, 57%, when you get your Koreas and your Japans, and did he tell you that? And with respect to investing in that, as opposed to our teachers, and while I'm at it, Estonia isn't investing less than Australian education. In fact, Australia is investing 15% less than Estonia and 16% less than other comparable OECD countries, the average thereof.